filled with bubbles. So my brother is mostly going to be dumping it out. Can you dump it out? Get everything straight. Guys, this looks like blood. Ew. And guys, this mostly looks like sugar. You guys, yeah, this mostly looks like sugar. Okay, stand mix. What are you going to use this for?
Ew! And we've got our instructions.
And show the red wine vinegar.
We will also be needing our own vinegar
And baking soda.
and baking soda. We chose red vinegar because we want our volcano to erupt red just like real lava. Woo, lava. So we wanted to add some redness to the red dye.
Okay.
So let's get started. We'll also need some warm tap water. 13 milliliters of warm tap water. We're going to add that to this bag of clay, and we're going to mix.
Yeah. Where's the spoon?
First things first, on the red list. Cut it open.
You have to, and when you're putting it in, you have to put it in on the sides because it will spill out in the hole. Okay. I think I can put it.
Wow, Juju.
I cut with 3 hands, that's why.
Okay, I didn't know you had 3 hands to cut with, but yeah. So we've cut open our bag of sand, and we're going to pour it inside of this bag right here. Ah! Yeah, I got to make sure that I get it on the shot there.
Wait, sounds like my recording. Comment down below if you like farts.
Slowly, ma'am, slowly.
It looks like rice.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now it looks like sand. Now we will be leaving it for 20 minutes.
Now you mix it. Go ahead, mix the thing. Like this.
Okay.
Mix it.
Mix.
I don't love you anymore. Mix it.
The mix side.
No, let's mix a lot. We gotta make sand. It's not sand yet.
Leah, would you like to drink his blood? No. I would. Drink it? I love blood. You a vampire. I would. Okay, here. No, don't drink it. We have to use it. We have to use it for the bathroom. Ew.
Okay, so it says to only use a little bit of water, but this is not sand. Comment down below if you think this is sand, because I don't think it's sand. It's not sand, you know. We're supposed to use this to make our volcano.
We just put water in it. Yeah.
Is it warm water? It needs to be warm water.
This is warm water.
Yeah. Okay, it's kind of molding. It's kind of working. Wait, let's see. It's kind of working. I guess it takes a minute. Anybody else want to do this besides me?
Me.
Don't break the back though.
Let me do it. It's too scary. Wait, let me just go squeeze. Oh, rusty. No, is that enough? This will see much fun. Push straighten it out. No, it's blood. Blood. Awesome blood in it. No, the blood is for the volcano stuff that comes out of the volcano. But this is the molds of the volcano. Now we need to prepare a workstation. Put it on the workstation. Let's see if we can make something out of this. Poop. It's gonna get messy, you guys. Look at this. It's gonna get really, really messy. Okay? So this is what you have to do. Watch this. Watch me. Making the volcano. Okay? Help me out! We need this part. This makes me seem watery at first. However, it will become harder and easier to sculpt in approximately 5 minutes. The mixture seems to dry out of a small amount of water, which it is not dry. Let the sand dry for 20 minutes. Now we need to be sure to cover the entire volcano. There's still some more. Except the rim along the bottom edge of the model. Now can I put the rest of this? Yeah. Ew. You have to cover the entire volcano. Except for the bottom rim. Are you going to help, LCD? No, or are you just going to look at me? This is kind of like mold. Oh, we got this back open. No, you have to let this dry for 20 minutes before we do that. Okay. Oh, the crystal's done. The crystals take 3 to 7 days. Not hours, not minutes, days. That means not tomorrow, not the day after tomorrow. Hours. Days have hours. This is so gross. I know. So like oatmeal. I know. It looks like crusty oatmeal. Gross. The crusty one. Pour this red dye inside the cup. All of it. Ew. So bloody. So disgusting. I can do this. Don't touch it. Mommy, there's bleeding. No, I'm not. It's just not real blood. Yeah. No, that's for my thing. Here, I'm not really bleeding. Oh, man. So, guys, be careful with this dye because it is a strong dye. Wow. We're also going to be using red vinegar because it'll make it even more red. You don't have to use red vinegar, but you can if you want to. No. Can I do that? That's for the baking soda. That's not supposed to be mixed. You guys pour up till 6. Good. Ma'am, get your fingers up your mouth. I need to wipe. Hey, I'm recording, ma'am. You're not going to be part of it if you're out there. Cailyn, don't do that like a crazy person. Let's do this out. Cailyn, not like a crazy person, please. Alright, that's good, I think. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Let me see here. Okay, where's the top? Are you supposed to pour this in the same? Yep. First, you have to wait for it to dry. And after it dries, you're going to pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Alright, so don't touch any of that until the 20 minutes is up. How much time do we have left? 11 minutes. That's not a lot. Hey guys, we're back and we're about to make a super explosion. Get ready for this, and it doesn't feel like you're in the video, but put your goggles on. Oh my god.
Alright, put your glasses on.
Okay.
Alright, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna take the spoon. Cailyn, you can pour it right here, carefully. That's it. That's it.
Okay, guys, get ready for this. Let's put it together. 3, 2, 1.
Slowly. Slowly. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Don't touch it!
We didn't fill it. I'm going to touch it. Glasses.
She said don't touch it. Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Was that crazy or was that crazy?
It was amazing. Those look like marshmallows. This one out.
Slowly.
Wow. Yeah. Let's do it again. It's so cool. I can even feel it. Like rusty and moldy. Let's get the red vinegar and let's do it again. I want to pour. Wow. Just feel it, feel it. It's like soda.
This is the most disgustingness ever.
So let's do it again. I love it.
Nah, bro, we're done. We're done. That was fun. So tell the guys to now, Liam.
This was so much fun. It was the first explosion I've ever done.